I just got back from the bakery. I have 10 minutes before I have to be on back-to-back calls, so let's make something delicious. I'm going to start with 2 stalks of celery, finely chopped. That's how I like my celery in anything. Then I decided to peel the carrot and then chop it because it's not there for crunch and flavor. It's more there for beauty and nutrients. And then 2 green onions chopped, about 2 tablespoons of capers. I gave them a rough chop. And then I put some of the caper juice into the bowl too. Leftover chicken. Why not? We're making chicken salad. A 1/4 cup of chopped dill, the juice of half a lemon, some Dijon mustard, and mayo. Then give it a mix and see if you need more mayo. I do, so I added more. Salt and pepper, and then give it another mix. I pan toasted that piece of bread in olive oil, salt, and then some garlic powder. Slice up a baby cuke, my favorite. Some mayo goes on half of the toast, and then put the cucumber on top of there. I sliced up half an avocado, added salt and pepper, some butter lettuce, a scoop of chicken salad. 10 out of 10 delish.